For today's tutorial, let's talk about pick, pack, and ship. The pick process. Place high-demand items close to the picking area to save time and reduce effort in locating items. Design a single, efficient path through the warehouse to minimize unnecessary movement and increase efficiency. Process multiple orders in a single trip to increase efficiency and reduce time spent on individual orders. The pack process. Maintain a clutter-free packing area to enhance focus and reduce errors. Emphasis on proper packing to ensure product safety during transit. Follow a standardized packing process to improve reliability and customer satisfaction. The ship process. Schedule pickups and deliveries efficiently. Send notifications to customers about their order status to build trust and enhance customer experience. Manual process in pick, pack, and ship. Manually checking inventory for each order is time-consuming and prone to errors. Updating inventory manually using spreadsheets can lead to inaccuracies and inefficiencies. Coordinating shipping schedules manually often requires phone calls or online bookings. Maintaining extensive records for finance and inventory manually is labor-intensive and prone to errors. Automated process in pick, pack, ship. Immediate inventory check upon order receipt. Barcode scanners for single-pass inventory picking. Real-time inventory updates during packing. Integrated shipping solutions, centralized data hub, enhanced data accuracy for better business decisions. Investing in robust inventory management software like item solutions can significantly help businesses streamline their inventory management processes, reduce waste, and enhance operational efficiency. Whether you're a small business or a large enterprise, our scalable products are designed to meet your specific needs and support your growth.